Good morning, everyone. So, today we are covering the topic trigonometry and its applications. Okay, so we will go for first basics of the trigonometry and then we will go for its applications. Okay, so whatever the notes I am providing today, so that you can note it down or you can take a screenshot. That will be very helpful for studying this chapter. Okay, so here basically trigonometry we are applying only in the right angles. Very important thing, trigonometry and its ratio we are applying only in right angle triangles, not in any other triangles. Trigonometry we are basically using for calculation, for the calculating height of the tall buildings, and in even while constructing the roads and all, there we require the trigonometry part. Okay, so apart from the application, always remember the trigonometry we are always applying in the right angle triangle. That means one angle should be 90 degree. Okay, and if you take remaining any one, means apart from this 90, if you take any angle theta, alpha, beta, whatever it you are taking, okay, and if you name it this triangle A, B and C. Now we have total 6 ratios. So first is here we have sine of theta. Okay, sometimes they will ask sine theta, sometimes they will ask sine C, that is angle. Okay, here theta angle is C. Suppose if you are taking this as a theta, then this is known as angle A. So sine theta is here how much? Sine is nothing but what? Always sine is nothing but opposite side by hypotenuse. Okay, so opposite here AB and hypotenuse is AC. Hypotenuse is what? The longest side in the right angle triangle, and hypotenuse is always opposite to the 90 degree, the opposite side of the angle 90 degree. So we get this sine theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse, that is AB by AC. Suppose if I want to calculate cos theta, then cos theta is nothing but what? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent is what here? BC. Hypotenuse is what? AC. Okay. Then again, if I am taking here tan theta, okay, always remember tan theta is nothing but we have sin theta by cos theta. If you know both the values, you can take a ratio, you will get tan theta. Or else tan theta formula is nothing but what? Opposite side upon adjacent. Can you get it? Opposite side upon adjacent. So here opposite side is AB divided by BC. Okay, and if you take sin theta by cos theta also, check here AB by AC divided by, we will get here BC by AC. So AC get reciprocal and it is get cancelled and we will get AB by BC. Same thing we are getting. Okay, so if we take this ratio, then we will get the same thing. Okay, so this is nothing but what? Tan theta. Okay, after that we have as a cot theta. Okay, cot theta is a reciprocal of tan theta. Okay, cot theta is nothing but what? Reciprocal of tan theta, or you can write cot theta value as the adjacent divided by opposite. Okay, so here adjacent is what? BC and opposite is nothing but AB. Okay, or if you just reciprocal this value, you will get the answer. Okay, so these are the 4 ratios we have. Again still sine, cos, sec and cosec is left. You first copy this, take a screenshot of this, then I will go for sec and cosec. So sec is nothing but what? Here only I will write sec theta is nothing but hypotenuse upon adjacent side. So hypotenuse is AC and adjacent is here BC. So always remember sec theta is the reciprocal of cos theta. Or if you reciprocal the sec theta, you will get a cos theta. Okay. So sec theta is equal to hypotenuse by adjacent. That is nothing but AC by BC. Check here, hypotenuse is AC, adjacent is BC. And sec is a reciprocal of cos theta. Getting this? And then what is cosec theta? Cosec theta is a reciprocal of sin theta. Okay, here I will write cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta, or we can write it as hypotenuse by opposite side. So here hypotenuse is AC and theta opposite is AB. So these are the formulas, these are the trigonometric ratio we have: sin, cos, tan, cot, sec and cosec. These 6 ratios we have. Note it down. Okay, I never told my children to learn other means based by hypotenuse and all. So I am telling here the opposite by hypotenuse or adjacent by hypotenuse, because it is very easy to remember. Okay, so write down all these formulas. Okay, you people know everything now, but just I am giving an introduction to the chapter so that those who missed the basics of this chapter, they can learn here. Okay, so these are the formulas. I hope everyone took these formulas. Okay. Okay, so after this you can, I erase this. Now here very important statement, write down everyone. Important statement is there: the values of a trigonometric ratio of an angle do not vary with the length. The values, very important statement, the values of trigonometric ratio of an angle does not vary with length. Okay, does not vary with the length of the sides of a triangle. Okay, so if the angle remains same, if the angle remains the same. Okay, so here the meaning is that the values of trigonometric ratio of an angle does not vary with the length, okay, of the triangle if the angle remains same. Means suppose if I have this triangle and this is 90 degree and this is theta. Okay, then this theta is suppose something 30 degree. Okay, and if you increase this height and if you increase this base, and again if you join, this angle is again 30. Okay, if you take a ratio, that ratios will remain same, they will not change, because angle will what remain same here. This is very important statement. Maybe many questions will ask, means many means in MCQ or in assertion reason they can ask this question. So keep this statement with you, write down this statement. Write down this properly. Everyone took the screenshot? Can everyone able to see this statement? Okay. So now next is trigonometric ratios for the angle. So for 10th we have trigonometric means angles from 0 to 90. Okay, not exceeding 90. So now we have a table, okay, to remember the values. So here I will make it here 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and then 90 degree. Okay, so these are the angles we have we have to calculate the values for this, and then we have to take a ratio over here, trigonometric ratio. First you can take it as a sin theta, okay, then cos, then tan. Okay, sin, cos theta, tan theta, okay, then cosec theta, sec theta, and last is what, cot theta. So now how to remember the values? Even I am teaching like this. So baby initially it is 0 years old, then after that it will become 1.5, then after that it will become 1 by root 2, then after that it will become here root 2, no, then it started with root 3 by 2, and then it completes 1 year. Can you get it? So initially it is at 0, then after it will become half, then it will become 1 by root 2, then it is root 3 by 2, and then 1 year completed. Khalas. Then again write for cos here, like this is 1. So cos 0 begins with 1. Then all the ulta reverse value for sin you can write it as a cos. 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, and now 0. Okay. This is nothing but what here? 0. Getting this? Okay, and we know that tan is nothing but sin by cos. So here if we take 0 by 1 is 0, 1 by 2 upon root 3 by 2 is a 1 by root 3. This is nothing but 1 by root 3. If you take a reciprocal, then we will get here 1, then root 3, and this is nothing but what? Not defined. Okay, getting? So once you get the tan theta, reverse this. Okay, write here again not defined. Okay, then you can write here root 3, then 1 by root 3, and 0. See, it's very easy. If you remember sin theta, then it's okay. You can, once you know all the sin theta values for 0, 30, 45, 60, 90, then it is very easy to write for cos, because all reverse angle you have to write for cos. Take a ratio of these two, then you will get a tan. Once you get tan, then again you can write the reverse angles for the cot theta. Getting this? And then cosec is nothing but what? 1 by sin theta. So cosec is nothing but 1 by sin theta. So it will become not defined, and then it will become 2. 1 by root 2 is nothing but 2. Then 1 by root 2 is nothing but root 2. Then it is 2 by root 3. Then it is 1. Getting this? Then after that sec theta is nothing but what? 1 by cos theta. So how to write 1 by cos theta? So 1 by cos theta. Sec theta 1 by 1 is 1. Root 3 by 2 is nothing but 2 by root 3. This is root 2 by 1, and this is 2. And then last value will become what again? 0, means not defined. Okay. So this is what the table we have. Okay, copy this table, take a screenshot. It is an easy way to remember this. Copy this. Everyone noted? Is everyone noted this? Okay. Once you copy, then we will go for next part. Okay. From this table you can at least conclude. Okay. From this table you can conclude that sin values never exceeds to 1, and cos theta is also never exceeds to 1. Okay. But here if we go for cosec theta and tan theta, they are greater than 1, because value is what? 2. Okay. So the value of sin or cos theta is never exceeds to 1, but whereas the sec theta and cosec theta always greater than 1. Understood up to here? Everyone is getting this? Okay. So I will go for some more shortcut already I shared, but still I will give you separate notes. So all these short notes are very helpful for solving the 1 mark and 2-3 mark questions. Okay, so here just now we did tan theta. This also you can write down. Tan theta is nothing but 1 by cot theta, or cot theta is nothing but 1 by tan theta. Okay, so here write down sin theta is equal to 1 upon cosec theta, or we can write cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. This is first, second, third, fourth. The next one here we have cos theta is equal to 1 upon sec theta, or sec theta is nothing but 1 upon cos theta. Okay, so these are the formulas we have getting, and we can write here one more thing. Tan theta is nothing but what? Sin theta by cos theta. Now cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta. Okay, these are very important formulas. Write down. Sin, how it is related with the cosec, and cosec is related with sin, and then sec is related with cos, and vice versa. Okay, so tan is nothing but a ratio of sin by cos. Okay, everyone is copied. Everyone took the screenshot. Okay, we will go for the identities. Write down the identities. I will not explain you how or the proof for this. Okay, proof they never ask, but we have identities and the question based on the identities. Okay, so here we very first identity, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Okay, after that 1 plus tan square theta is equal to, we have the sec square theta, and then we have last identity cot square theta plus 1 is equal to cosec square theta. Okay, cosec square theta. So these are the what identities we have. Okay, these 3 identities we have, and here one more trick I will give you. Okay, so you have to just interchange. Okay, you have to interchange according to the requirement or according to the given problem. Suppose if I have here sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Okay, then you can write here for cos square. Suppose they are asking for cos square. Cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta, and then if you take a square root on both the sides, then cos theta is equal to square root of 1 minus sin square theta. Are you getting this? Okay, and suppose they are asking the value of tan theta. Suppose they are asking express tan theta in terms of sin theta, then you can write here sin theta by cos theta, and already I have the cos theta value as a square root of 1 minus sin square theta. Getting this? So it's very easy. So by using identity we can do all this operation. Very important part is this. Okay, 100% there is one question is there for conversion. So like this we have to find out. So we have to make the combination and we have to find out the answer. Getting this? And always remember, values of a trigonometric ratios are between 0 to 90. Okay, so the key points or whatever the short notes we require for this chapter I already shared with you. I hope everyone took the screenshot or then wrote all the things which I gave on the board. Okay, now write down some MCQ question. So we will do some questions and then we'll go for applications. Okay, here the value of, okay, write down the question. I am expecting the answers from you people. Someone if finish first, they can type the answer over there. Okay, so here the value of, and the question is given, sin 30 plus cos 30 minus sin 60 plus cos 60. This is in bracket. Okay, and the value for this is A option given -1, B is 0, C is 1 and D is nothing but what, 2. Okay, so here these are the options given and we have to find out the value. So here cos theta is what, there, cos 60. Okay, so sin 30, just now we did table, no? Sin 30 is nothing but what, half. So here we can write sin 30 is a half plus cos 30. Cos 30 is nothing but root 3 by 2. Inside minus, inside the bracket, sin 60. Sin 60 is again root 3 by 2. And cos 60 is nothing but, I think, half. Cos 60 is nothing but what, half. Okay, so here 1 by 2 plus root 3 by 2. Don't solve it, because here values we get it same and transpose that negative sign inside the bracket, minus 3 by 2 plus 1 minus 1 by 2. So plus 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 will cancel and answer is 0. So option is what here, 0. Can you get in these questions? Those who are attending, I will check their notebooks afterwards. Okay, if they are not writing, I will see and I will inform your parents accordingly. Okay, so now next question. Here everyone copied this question. Okay, write down next question. The value of sin square 30 plus cos square 30. The value of sin square 30 plus cos square 30, okay, is how much? So option A is given, option A is there minus 1 by 2, option A is there minus 1 by 2, B is root 3 by 2, C is 1 and last option is given 2 by 3. Observing this, the answer is 1 only, because we just now learned trigonometric identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Here both the angles are same, answer is 1. Okay, so option is A from C, that is the correct option. But suppose the same question come for 2 marks, to solve this, okay, for substituting values. So sin 30 is nothing but 1 by 2 whose square is given, and cos 30. So cos 30 is nothing but root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2, but the square is given. So 1 by 2 is nothing but 1 by 4. Root 3 by 2 is nothing but 3 by 4. So here denominator is same. Add 3 plus 1, that is 4 upon 4, that is equal to 1. Getting this? Okay. Understood how to solve this? If you apply the trigonometric identities, you will get the answer same immediately, because here the value means angle values are same for sin and cos. Getting? Or else suppose this question is for 2 marks, because they are asking us to put the values and all, and you can solve in another way also. Okay, copied. Chalo. Now next question they are asking. Next question is little bit different. Okay, tan A. Next question is tan A. Only they give tan A is equal to, okay, option first is given cos A upon 1 upon minus cos square A, B sec A square root of 1 by 1 upon sec square A, C sin A upon square root of 1 minus sin square A, and last option 1 upon square root of 1 minus sin square A. Okay, we have to choose the correct option, and here according to this for me its correct option is C. Just now we did know, so I told you how to solve this. We know that sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Just now when I explained the identity, that time I did the same question. So here cos square A is equal to 1 minus sin square A, and if you take a square root on both the side, so cos A is equal to square root of 1 minus sin A, sin square A. Okay, and here we have tan theta is nothing but sin A by cos A. Okay, if you take this angle value as A, then here you can keep sin A as it is, and cos theta is nothing but 1 minus sin square A. That's it. So option C is the correct option. You can must apply the knowledge whatever you learn or earn. Okay, this is very important. Finished? Everyone copied? Noted? Can I erase this? Okay, I hope everyone is copying this. And everyone can remember, as you have a 10 days gap for maths, so 100% maths paper will be very difficult. Okay, so prepare accordingly. So now next question is that we have 4 tan theta is equal to 3. Then find the value. Is 4 sin theta minus cos theta divided by, we have 4 sin theta plus cos theta, which is equal to how much they are asking. Option first is half, then B 1 by 3, C 3 by 4, and D 2 by 3. Okay, so this is what the question. Okay, here the same question maybe they will ask for 2 and 3 marks. So be careful whenever this kind of questions will come. So always whatever the given quantities are there, that you can write down. Here 4 tan theta is equal to 3. That means tan theta is equal to how much? 3 by 4. And tan theta is nothing but what we have opposite by adjacent. So draw here one right angle triangle for your understanding purpose. If you are taking this as a theta, this is 90. So opposite side is 3 and adjacent is 4. So you have to calculate the hypotenuse. Those who know the Pythagorean triplets, they can directly write. Those who don't know, they can go for Pythagoras. How to apply Pythagoras? So hypotenuse square is nothing but the base square plus height square. Base is here 4 square plus 3 square, that is nothing but 16 plus 9, that is equal to 25 is hypotenuse square. Then hypotenuse is equal to how much? 5. Okay. So by triplets we can write here 5 also, or you can calculate by Pythagoras. Okay. So we got your hypotenuse. Once you get the hypotenuse, it's very easy. Okay. So you are asking the sine and cos. from this triangle you can calculate the value for sin theta. Sin theta is opposite by hypotenuse, that is 3 by 5, and cos theta is nothing but adjacent by hypotenuse, that is 4 by 5. Can you getting this? Okay. Now put all the values in that equation. 4 into 3 by 5 minus cos theta is nothing but 4 by 5 divided by 4 into 3 by 5 plus cos of theta I got it as 4 by 5. Now simplify. So now denominator is same, no need to take LCM and all. So 12 minus 4 divided by 5 divided by 12 plus 4 divided by 5. This 5 and 5 will cancel after taking reciprocal. So here 12 minus 4 is nothing but 8, and this is by 16. So it will come 1 by 2. So option is A, that is 1 by 2. I did it in a proper steps, okay, because sometimes this question maybe they will ask for 3 marks, okay. So be careful, you have to write the steps, all the steps properly, then only you will get the marks. Okay, everyone took the screenshot. Everyone copied. Can I go for the next? Everyone took the screenshot. Then write down next question. If sin A is equal to 1 by 2, if sin A is equal to 1 by 2, then find the value of cot A. Okay, very important. If sin A is equal to half. I hope everyone is copied this. Okay, those who join now, they can take a screenshot. Very IMP problem. Okay. Now the next question is that they are saying if the sin A is equal to half. They are saying sin A is equal to half, then the value of cot A. First option is given root 3, B 1 by root 3, then C root 3 by 2, and last option B is equal to 1. Okay, so here how to find out this value? What is the answer? Can anyone know? Here we know one relation, no? Sin theta or we can go for, okay, if we take that also we will not get. Okay, how to find out this? Sin A is equal to half, then what is the value for cot A? Okay, just now we did this, no? Tan theta is equal to, we have sin theta upon square root of 1 minus sin square theta. So here we can write sin theta is nothing but here sin A, that is nothing but half. So I will substitute the value of half over here because sin A is nothing but half. So I substituted half. So here 1 minus sin square, that is 1 minus 1 by 2 whole bracket square. Okay, so here 1 by 2 square root of 1 minus 1 by 4. So 1 by 2 here divided by square root of 4 minus 1 by 4. Okay, that is 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 divided by, we can write here 3 by root 4. So 1 by 2 upon, I will write root 3 divided by again 2, because square root of 4 is nothing but 2. Now if you take the reciprocal, 1 by 2 into 2 by root 3. So here root 2 get cancelled. Answer is 1 by root 3. So option B is the correct option. Okay. So you can go for the questions like this. Must keep the problem solving ability. So whatever those who listen the lecture carefully, definitely they can apply and they can able to solve. Okay, write down everything. Okay, everyone took a screenshot. Okay, can we go for the next problem? Write down if 3 cot theta is equal to 2, if 3 cot theta is equal to 2, comma, then find the value of tan theta. Then the value of tan theta is, okay, if 3 cot theta is equal to 2, then the value of tan theta is, first option given 2 by 3, second is 3 by 2, C 3 by root 13, and D is 2 by root 13. Okay, so I will write the question on the board also. I hope everyone is getting what I am teaching. Okay, if you hear the initial part properly, then you can apply the concept everywhere. Okay, so here the question is that if 3 cot theta is equal to 2, then value of tan theta is what? Option A is 1, B is 3 by 4, C is 1 by 2, D is 1 by 4. Okay, so, oh, not 1 by 4, this is, wait, I wrote wrong options. Okay, I wrote the wrong options, sorry. So here we have 2 by 3, 2 by 3, 3 by 2, C 3 by root 13, and last is D, that is 2 by root 13. Okay, these are the values are given. So how to find out here tan theta? Cot is there, no? Cot theta, here 3 cot theta is equal to 2. Then cot theta is nothing but 2 by 3. So draw the right angle triangle. You can take this as a theta. So cot is nothing but what? Adjacent by opposite. Adjacent by opposite. Adjacent, oh, adjacent here 2 and opposite here 3. Okay. So calculate hypotenuse. So what is the hypotenuse? Base square plus height square. Base is here 2 square plus 3 square, that is 4 plus 9, that is nothing but how much? 13. So hypotenuse is 13. The hypotenuse is nothing but root of 13. Okay. They are asking us to find out the tan theta. So tan theta is nothing but we can write as a 3 by 2. Okay, so they made a fool to us, no? Cot is a reciprocal of tan theta. So tan theta is nothing. Cot theta we have 2 by 3. Then tan is nothing but 3 by 2. So option B. So here I solve this question. If they ask for 2 marks, then how to solve this? Okay. Otherwise you can apply the identity and find out the answer. Okay, copied. Okay, so write down one more question. Next question is given. Next question is IMP. Write down if sin theta, if sin theta minus cos theta, if sin theta minus cos theta is 0. We come across this question many times. Okay. The question is that sin theta minus cos theta is equal to 0. Then the value for cos raised to, not cos, sin raised to 4 theta minus cos raised to 4 theta is what? Okay. The options are given here. 1, B is 3 by 4, C is nothing but 1 by 2 and D is nothing but 1 by 4. Okay. So this is what the question we have. Then how can you find out? Okay, check. I will show you this question, this similar kind of question maybe they will ask. So how to solve this? So here given information is only sin theta minus cos theta is equal to 0. That means we can write here sin theta is equal to cos of theta. Okay, because as it is 0 I transpose to that side, so it will become positive. So sin theta is equal to cos theta. Okay, once you get cos theta, then can I write the same thing? Sin, I transpose this, it is multiplied with 1 only. If nothing is there, the multiple is 1. So I am transposing cos theta here. So cos theta, I mean sin theta by cos theta, and this part will come as a 1. So this is sin by cos is nothing but what? Tan theta, which is equal to 1. So if just now I gave a table, when tan theta is equal to 1, when angle value is nothing but 45. When theta is equal to 45, that time tan theta is equal to 1. Okay, can you getting this? Can you getting this? Tan 45 is nothing but what? 1. Or I can write here tan, I will write it like this. So tan 45 degrees is nothing but what? 1. Can you getting this? So tan 45 is equal to 1. So we will get theta is equal to how much? 45. Okay, can you getting this sign, this value? Okay. Understood this? Theta is equal to 45. Once we get the theta is equal to 45, then you can keep that value here, sin raised to 4, and theta is nothing but here 45. Now find out sin 45 is how much? Sin 45 is nothing but how much? 1 by root 2, correct? So I will write here 1 by root 2 raised to 4. Okay, so that is nothing but 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, that is nothing but 1 by 4, because we are multiplying 1 by root 2 4 times. So 2 into 2, that is 4. So 1 by 4 I am getting here. And again similarly you can calculate for cos raised to 4, angle is nothing but here 45. So cos 45 is nothing but again how much? Cos 45 is also 1 by root 2. So cos 45 is also 1 by root 2 whole bracket raised to 4. Again answer is 1 by 4. So if we calculate here sin raised to 4 theta minus cos raised to 4 theta. So what you will get the answer here? Check. We will get the option here 0. Okay, but option is not given here. Let me check once the question. Yeah. No, actually I wrote the answer. I wrote this question wrong. Sin raised to 4 theta plus they are asking plus cos raised to 4. Or if we take subtraction we will get 0, but option is not there. Here it is plus. So here cos square raised to 4, cos square raised to 4 theta plus sin square raised to 4 theta is nothing but 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, that is nothing but how much? 2 by 4. Okay, and 2 by 4 is nothing but how much? We can write it as 1 by 2. So option is nothing but what here? 1 by 2. Getting this? So copy this. This is also IMP question. Okay, everyone copied. Can I erase this? Everyone understood? You can use identity also, but identity will become very lengthy. Okay, sin raised to 2 raised to 2 we can do it, but it will become very lengthy. So to avoid that, we use this method over here. Okay, so you can copy this. Okay, so write down next question. Hope you everyone copied this. They are asking the next part. You can copy this and you have to tell the answer. I will not at all writing the options for this. Let me know the answer for this. This one I will not solve. We have to solve this. So find the value for tan 30 by cos tan 30 divided by, we can write it as cot 60. Cot 60 degrees. Okay. So find out the answer for this. Find out the answer and tell me who all are there joining. Tan 30 by cot 60. What is the answer? Someone can type the answer. Tan 30 by cot 60. Yes, those who are joined, at least they can type a message. What is the answer? Yes, does anyone know the answer for this? What is the value for tan 30? Tan 30 is 1 by root 3 and cot 60 is also 1 by root 3. Okay. So if there is a no response, that means you all are sleeping. Okay. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3 and this is also 1 by root 3. So answer is what here? 1. Okay. So options are given here: 1 by root 2, 1 by root 3 and 1. So option 1 is the correct option. Okay. Ruday and Anoki both are sleeping. Okay, now they are asking here the value. Given that, next question write down, given that sin alpha is equal to half and cos beta is equal to half, then value of alpha plus beta is how much? Options are given here. First option is there 0 degree, second option is there 30 degree, that is B. C option is there 60 degree and D option is there 90 degree. Okay, so these are the 4 options we have. So can you find out the answer? This kind of questions are also IMP question. For this exam point of view, maybe this year maths paper is quite easy because they are giving 10 days holidays. Okay, so be careful. If you know the trigonometry table, then it is very easy to calculate this part. Okay, so sin alpha is a half. See how to solve this. Sin alpha is a half. So sin, which value is half? That is sin 30. So here can I write alpha is nothing but angle 30. Not angle 30. Sin half is nothing but 30 only. 30. And we have cos beta, that is equal to half. When cos will become half, which angle it will become half? So cos 60. Okay. So here I will write beta is equal to 60 degrees. And they are asking the values for alpha plus beta, that is nothing but 30 plus 60 is equal to 90 degrees. Because see, board is not keeping the same pattern questions which are there already in the textbook. Okay, some application oriented questions they are asking during the exam or board exam. So prepare all these kind of numericals. Okay, don't ignore, or we don't have this, we never learn this. Okay, school is doing their work, we are also doing our work. Sometimes some questions are get skipped, okay, by mistakenly, and then sometimes that questions only come. So instead of that, you can learn the questions. Everything you have to learn from this chapter. And trigonometry and application of trigonometry is having more weightage in board exam. So this is very easy chapter. We are getting marks, all marks over here if you know all the formulas and these angle values. Okay, everyone copied this? Okay, write down next question. Next question is given cos A, so not cos A, cosec A. the next question is given, that is nothing but if we have here cosec A minus cot A is equal to 4 by 5. They are asking find the value of cosec A is equal to what? And options are given 47 by 40, 59 by 40, 51 by 40 and 41 by 40. Okay, so this is what the questions. Cosec A minus cot A is equal to 4 by 5. Find the value for cosec A. Okay, so can you find out this? Can you check here? Check how can you solve this, how we will get the answer. Can we apply the identity? Think on these questions, okay? Otherwise I am solving and you are copying down, okay? So how to solve this? I have a trigonometry, that is nothing but cot square A plus 1 is equal to cosec square theta, okay? Cot square theta plus 1 is equal to cosec square theta, okay? And then cot, if I want, cot is nothing but square root of cosec square A minus 1, okay? So how to solve this? Think. How I gave hint also. Yes. Check. Check what you are getting. Yes, someone can type the answer if you solve. Yes, someone solved. Can we use here identity? I already gave the options, okay? I gave the hint. Think on these questions, okay? This question here they are asking for this thing. They are asking for the 1 mark, but this is not a 1 mark question, okay? So we have the identity and we can write here that identity means we have here cot square theta, okay? Cot square theta, not cot square, we have the identity, no? That is, we can write it as cosec square, here A is there, minus cot square A is equal to 1. Getting, because we have 1 plus cot square. We have what identity? We have identity cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square of theta, correct? So I transpose that cot over here. So here this is nothing but what? A square minus B square, no? So this identity we can use as a minus b and here a plus b. So here we can write it as cosec a minus cot a into cosec a plus cot a is equal to what? 1, no? And already I have this cosec a minus cot a is nothing but 4 by 5, and here we can write cosec a plus cot a is nothing but what? 1. Okay, can we write it like this? Can we write it like this? Or else one more thing we can able to do. Okay, can you get it up to here? Okay, then I will write it as cosec a plus cot a. This 4 by 5 is multiplied here. When it transpose to that side, it is multiplied with 1 with reciprocal. Okay, so this will become 5 by 4. So suppose if I am taking this as equation number 1 and this as equation number 2. So again, can I write here, can I add 1 and 2? So here cosec a minus cot a is equal to 4 by 5, and here we can write cosec a plus cot a is equal to 5 by 4. Okay, so add this, these two are getting cancelled, and cosec a is nothing but here we can do this addition 4 by 5 plus 5 by 4. So take LCM first. Okay, and I will write a LCM 16 plus 25 divided by 20. So here 11 41 by 20, and this 2 is there, no? 2 is multiplied, it is gets divided over here. So here we will get 41 by 40 is the answer. Can you getting this? How to find out? Very important question. Okay, for the exam point of view, as they gave here for 1 mark, but this question is not asked, they are not asking for 1 mark. Okay, so check the procedure. This maybe they will ask for 3 marks. Okay, here we use the identity at the beginning only. So we have the identity cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta, that we rearranged and we wrote it as cosec square a minus cot square a is equal to 1. So we use the identity a square minus b square, that is a plus b, a minus b. From that we substituted the value for cosec a minus cot theta, that value, and then we obtain the value for cosec a plus cot a is equal to 5 by 4, and we took it as equation number 2, and the given equation we are taking as a 1 and add it, you will get the value for cosec theta. Can you getting how I am solving? Okay, everyone can note it down. Instead of taking screenshot, you can note down these kind of questions. Okay. Everyone copied? Finished? Okay, write down next question. Write down next question. That next question is uh, tan A. Okay, I will write it on the board. Whatever the questions are, still I will take up to 7. Okay, means I will take more 15 more minutes. After that, whatever the things which we are not able to cover, I will send one more link in the afternoon. Okay, so here it is given that tan A plus B is equal to root 3 and tan A minus B is equal to 1 by root 3. Okay, and the condition is that the sum of these angles are greater than 0 but less than or equal to 90 degree. Then find A and B. Okay, so these are also IMP questions. So here first I will take tan AB, A plus B is equal to root 3. So in which case tan is root 3, tan 60, no? So we can write here A plus B. Okay, tan inverse of root 3 is nothing but we can write it as 60. This is equation number 1. So next question, that is tan A minus B is equal to 1 by root 3. So tan 1 by root 3 is when it is 30. Correct? Tan it is nothing but what, 30. So can I write here A minus B is equal to 30. This is equation number 2. So we can write it as here, if we add equation 1 and 2. So A minus B is equal to 30. So BB get cancelled, twice of A is equal to 90. So A is nothing but we will get it as a 45. Getting this? So once we get A is 45, then substitute A in any one of the equation. So I will substitute in equation number 1. So here 45 plus B is equal to 60. So B is equal to 60 minus 45. 60 minus 45 is nothing but how much? That is nothing but 15. Okay. So here value of A is 45 and B is 15. So here if this sum, so 45 plus 15 is nothing but 60. That is greater than 0 but it is less than or it is less than 90. Okay, like this we have to verify the answer. Copy this. Okay, everyone copied this. Write down one more question. If sine B is equal to 12 by 13, if sine B, everyone copied, no? Can I go for the next question? Can I go for the next question? Is everyone copied from the board? That this question you have to do, huh? And type the answer in the chat box. So here cos B is equal to 0. Not 0, here sorry, sin B is equal to 12 by 13. Then find the value for cot B. Find out this. Do this. This is very easy. Find out, and someone can type the answer in the message box. Okay, everyone finished the answer? Does anyone can type what is the value for cot beta, cot B? Does anyone got the value? Who all are there? Hriday, are you there? Anokhi? So here if you take as a B, A, B, C, or this angle as a B, here I will write, see this is 90 degree, sin B is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse. So this will, you can get it as hypotenuse square, base square plus height square. This is 13 square is equal to B square plus 12 square. 13 square is nothing but 169 minus 144 is equal to B square. So this will become 5 to B square, that is B is equal to 5. So this will, you will get it as 5. Okay, once you get this as a 5, then they are asking here cot beta, cot B. Cot B is nothing but what? Adjacent by opposite 5 by 12. Okay, this is 2-mark question. Okay, then write down next question. Write down next question. If x is equal to a cos theta, if x is equal to a cos theta minus b sin theta, and y is equal to a sin theta plus b cos theta. Okay, so this is what the questions we have. Okay, and they are asking us to find the value. Okay, they are asking us to find the value. Prove that. They are asking prove that x square plus y square is equal to a square plus b square. This they want to prove that. Okay, a square plus b square is equal to x square plus y square. Okay, this we have to do. We have to prove that. So at least we know the x and y. So I will write here x square plus y square. That means what? I am squaring a plus cos of theta minus b sin of theta whole bracket square, plus is there, so y is nothing but a sin theta plus b cos theta whole bracket square. Now use the identity here. Everyone knows the identity. If you don't know, learn it today. Okay. So a plus b whole bracket square is nothing but a square b square plus twice ab, and here a minus b whole bracket square is equal to a square plus b square minus twice ab. Okay. These are the identities you can apply here. So this will become a square cos square theta minus, or plus you can write b square sin square theta minus 2a cos of theta into b sin of theta. Okay, plus here I will write again a square sin square theta plus b square cos square theta plus 2a sin of theta into b cos of theta. Okay, so now see here a square cos square theta and a square sin square theta. Here can I write all these term, because a square we can take it common here, and inside this bracket cos square theta into plus sin square theta will remain. Okay, again if you take here b square common, then again you will get sin square theta plus cos square theta, and if you observe here multiplication is commutative. So 2ab sin theta cos theta and 2ab sin theta into cos theta. So these both the terms are what get cancelled, and here a square cos square theta plus sin square theta according to identity is 1, and this is also cos square theta plus sin square theta is also 1. So here you can write the reason sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Okay, and this question they are asking for 2 marks. Getting this? Understood how to do? Okay, so check the operations, what is given first and what they are asking us to calculate. Okay, so like this we have to solve the questions. I am just following their steps because they are asking here the values for prove that x square plus y square is equal to a square plus b square. So here I took x square y square and I got x square y square is equal to a square b square, and hence it is proved. Getting this? So keep calm while solving the trigonometric problems. Okay. Okay, finished. Then last question we can do and then I will stop. Last question is that afternoon again I am sending a link, you can join because I am taking most numericals based on the identity. Okay, so next one is simplify 1 plus tan square theta, tan square, wait. Simplify 1 plus tan square theta means tan square a upon 1 plus cot square a. They are asking to simplify this. Okay, how to simplify this? How to simplify this? Check. Can we use the identity? So 1 plus tan square theta is nothing but we can write it as a sec square theta or sec square a, and 1 plus cot square theta is nothing but cosec square a. So sec square is nothing but what? 1 upon sin square a upon cosec is nothing but 1 upon cos square a, and then we can write 1 upon sin square a into cos square a. We did a reciprocal here, no? So cos by cos square A by sin square A is nothing but what? Cot square A. Can you get it? You can use identity or you can directly convert tan in terms of sin by cos. Means you will get 1 plus sin square by cos square A plus here 1 upon cos square A by sin square. Then take LCM and again simplify, use identity sin square theta plus cos square theta. Again you will get the same answer. Can you get it? Or else I will solve by another method. So here 1 plus sin square A by cos square A upon 1 plus we have cos square A by sin square A, because tan is nothing but sin by cos and cot is nothing but cos by sin. So here take LCM, cos square A plus sin square A upon cos square A, and here we have again sin square A into plus cos square A divided by sin square A. Okay, these both are getting cancelled. 1 upon cos square A into we will get it as sin square A. Here I am getting tan square A. That means 1 upon sin square. In both the cases I am getting different. Check. Is I made mistake anywhere? Because this, according to this identity, 6 square cosec square A, 1 upon sin square A, 1 upon cos square A. So 1 upon sin square reciprocally cos square by 1. Cos square by sin square is nothing but cot square. And if there cos square sin square is 1, cos square sin square is 1. Tan, no? 1 by cos. 1 by cos and 1 upon sin. Because here 1 upon cos square A upon 1 upon sin square A. It's tan square. Okay. Both the answers we can say that correct. Okay, because in one of the question we added, we took the identity, but still wait, I will check. Here they are saying correct answer is tan square A. They are saying use this method instead of this. Okay, so they are asking no need to use this identity, you can simplify with this method. So we are getting answer tan square A. Okay, so second part is the correct option. Okay, depends how the answer key made, according to that they will give. So here here in this answer key they gave tan square A, but cot square A is also correct answer. We will check that also afterwards. Okay, finished. Here I made mistake. You people are not, here I made mistake. What is the mistake? 6 square is nothing but 1 by cos square A, and 1 by cosec is nothing but 1 by sin square A. Okay, so here 1 upon cos square A into, here it will come sin square A by 1. So it will come tan square A. So now both the answers are correct. Now you can use any method. See, I wrote ulta by mistake. Okay, 6 square I wrote it as sin. So that is not correct. That is sec is 1 by cos and cosec is 1 by sin. Okay. So in hurry I made the mistake and I got cot square A. Okay, ulta answer I got. So now I correct it. Both the methods are correct. You can use now any method to simplify this. Okay. In afternoon again I will send a link. Okay. So you all can join. I will message you which time, because today I have some other batches also. Okay, So thank you for joining. I will end this session.